welcome back to my channel, and my name is Melissa and you're watching Makeover with Mel. If you're new here, I want to say thank you for stopping by. I do hope that you subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. In this video, we are going to be talking about Dia&Co. It just come in on my porch, and I thought, why not, while I have the time, go through it, see what we got, and then we will try it all on. Okay, for Dia&Co, for those of you who don't know, is a subscription box. It costs you $20 a month. I got my styling fee waived for the month of October. I just happened to catch it in my email at the last minute, and so it come in a couple of days, so I do like that. Some of them takes them a while for it to get here, and so I like Dia&Co because it only takes like 3 or 4 days before it's actually on your porch ready for you to try on. And also they have you get to add 3, I think, items that you choose to your box if it's available, and then they choose the rest of them to go with it according to your quiz that you put in. And it comes in a box, and it has all the information in an envelope, and it has a bag so you can return anything that you don't want. And they send it with a little card, and Tabitha G is who styled me, so I want to thank Tabitha G ahead of time because I'm sure I'm going to like all this. And it also gives you the name of it and the price of everything, and then a total. And they don't give you, yes they do, styling fee is credited toward anything that you keep, and applied when you buy everything you get 25% off. So that is a really good deal. Not bad at all. So we'll go on, and then you have a little letter here from the one who styled you, and I'm not going to read that. I'll read that later. We'll just go on and get into the box. Okay, here it is. Nice fall colors, darks. I like dark colors. And it comes wrapped up like this, nice and pretty. We're going to go ahead and lay it out on my bed and open it up and go through it piece by piece. Okay, the first thing is black. It is by Boboya, Collection by Boboya, B-O-B-E-A-U. I don't know how you pronounce that. But it's just, oh, it's so cute. It's black. It's very soft. It kind of reminds me of that material that clings to you, though. So I'm not sure. It's in a 2X. And it has this cute detail on the sleeve. This black and white stripe. So I don't know if you're supposed to roll it up so you can actually see that. That would be cute though, but we'll try that on and see how it fits. It looks to be longer, a little longer, but yeah, we'll try that on and see how that one works. All right, first I'm going to talk about the blouse. It is super comfortable. It's not as clingy as I thought it would be. And it's in a 2X. It is a little lower than what I like under the arms, but see the detail on the sleeves? I'm not sure how that's supposed to work because I tried rolling them up, but they just roll right back down. So I'm not sure how that's supposed to work. Maybe, I'm not sure, but I wouldn't use the detail anyway. Love the U-neck, and it's not see-through. I like it. It's super soft. It's lightweight. It'd be a good staple piece to use under cardigans and things like that. The length of it is good. Yeah, so I really like this one. This next item is heavy. This is one of the items that I asked for, and it is a jumpsuit. It is by Sabrina Collective in a 20W. It has a zipper in the back and this loose fitting extra piece here in the back of it. It's no sleeves. It has a tie around the waist, and it is very wide-legged. You can see. I think this is going to be so cute on. And this you could wear with a little short cardigan. Would be super cute. Or a jean jacket with some wedges or some flats. I think that would be so cute. So we're going to try that on. It has a little keyhole in the front also. But I love the pattern. Absolutely love it. They had it in 2 different colors to choose from. One reminded me more of summer weather, and this one reminded me more of fall and winter weather. So I wanted to try it first. Here's the jumpsuit, and it has pockets. It's amazing. Absolutely love it. It's cropped, flared, kind of looks like a dress from a distance, and it has a tie with these little silver things on it. They look like little bells. Super cute, but it does work, so you can cinch it in as tight as you want to make it give you some figure. But so that's how it looks on me. I think it's cute. I think it's adorable. I absolutely love this. Comfortable. Put some boots on with it and a black cardigan. I'll show you that in just a moment. But I love it. And the back has this extra thin layer, and it does zip all the way up. It was easy to get into, and it doesn't come too low under the arms. So I think it's super cute. You guys tell me what you think of this one. This is how it looks with a cardigan. Is that not super cute? Then you could put on a pair of boots with it for the winter time. Just an extra way to wear it. Super adorable. Absolutely love this. The little keyhole. Camera went crazy on me. Before I go on, I'm going to tell you the price of the black top is a 2X, and it's $45, and the jumpsuit is black and tan, and it is $39. That's not bad at all. This next thing is in like a midnight blue, and it's another thing that I asked to add to my box, and it's by Prescott, New York. It's in a 3X, and it is a cardigan. Let's see. It has ruching up around the neck area. It has 3/4 inch sleeve. It doesn't have pockets, but it does have a tie in the front of both sides, so you can cinch it together. That would be so cute with a pair of jeans, light wash jeans, and a little white t-shirt or cami underneath. And it's so soft. You can tell the quality is amazing. Let's see. Prescott, New York, Kiki drawstring cardigan, navy, 3X, and it's $32. That's not bad at all. So I'm so excited to check out and see what else we got, what we can pair it with. All right, the first thing I want to talk about is this cardigan. It is amazing. I absolutely love it. How it has the cinched end part here, just in the front. Put it down a little bit lower below my boobs. And it has the little tie, so you can cinch it in as much as you want, or you can leave it uncinched. And how it curves at the bottom. And it's 3/4 inch sleeve. Love how it folds over, and I love the color. I just put on one of my tank tops underneath it just to show you guys, but I love it. It is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, I like this one. This next thing is a pair of denim, and I asked for these as well. And it's these snake skin, and I think I'm going to be in love. They're by Makers of True Original in a 18W. They have pockets in the front, pockets in the back, and they're just the snake skin, straight legged. Amazing. This will look so cute with that black shirt. We will have to pair this together and see how this outfit looks. And they are $69. $69, and they do have a lot of good stretch to them. So I think they're going to be comfortable. I don't know if they're high-waisted or not. It doesn't say. They are 98% cotton and 2% spandex. But they seem to be a little high-waisted, but not too much. So we'll try them and see how they look with that black shirt. Now we will talk about these snakeskin bottoms. They're in an 18W. I do like the pros is the pockets in the front and in the back. But they have, I don't know, if I got a size smaller, they would be too tight in the waist. Right now, they're perfect in the waist. But they're just too big here and in the legs, and the length of them are too long. Because they bunch up. All the way down, they bunch up. So if I was going to keep them, I would rather them be a little more skin tight to my legs. But other than that, I love the pattern. I love the snake skin. This is the back. But yeah, I just wish they was, I would say a size smaller. They do have a lot of stretch, so maybe a size smaller wouldn't be too tight. Maybe, but I do love the snake skin. You guys tell me what you think. Last but not least is another pair of denim, and they are by Molly and Isadora in an 18W, and they are mid-rise skinny, and they are unbuttoned. I'm going to button them up, but they are a dark wash, and they have a lot of stretch to them, and they are supposed to be skinny, no distressing, just a little fading right here in the front. And on the back, this pocket has this little emblem. I guess that stands for Molly and Isadora. Super cute. I love the color. I don't have any that's this dark, so these may be a keeper if I like them. They're mid-rise, but they seem to be more of a high-rise. But if I keep these, they are Molly and Isadora, Leroy skinny jeans, dark wash in a size 18, and they are $65. They're cheaper than the snakeskin ones, but we'll go and we'll try this on and pair some outfits together and see what we think. These are amazing. They're Molly and Isadora. They're in a size 18W, and they're extremely high-waisted. My belly button is right here, and here is the top. Extremely high-waisted. So I don't know how comfortable that will be for me, because I always wear a belt to keep them up so they don't slide down. Sorry about the background noise, but they do give me a round booty. I like that part. And they're not real tight, and there is a little bit of material just like the snake skin. So probably for that reason, I won't be getting them, but I love the color. The length of them are good. I do like them. They're very comfortable, very, very stretchy. Very, very stretchy. So these, I won't keep them because of all this extra material down here. So for that reason, they will be going bye-bye. But if it hadn't have been for that, I would have kept them because the color, I don't have a pair this dark. And I like them. So let's talk pricing. If I kept everything in the box, minus the 25%, the whole box would cost me, the whole box comes to $250. Then if I kept everything, it would be 25% off, which would be $187.50. And they're all excellent pieces, but the black jeans, or they're not black, but the indigo blue jeans was just a little bit too big for me, and I didn't like how they was bunchy in the front. The snake skins were too long and also bunchy and ruffled on my legs. Don't like that. The jumpsuit, I absolutely loved it. It was amazing, but I know me, I wouldn't wear it out anywhere unless I wore a cardigan or something like that, which there's nothing wrong with that. It was amazing, but I just don't need that piece in my closet. The black Just the black shirt was amazing as well. The quality was there. I just don't need another black shirt. As you can see, I have so many black blouses. It just isn't funny. I'm on the hunt for the perfect black sweater though. So I think in my next box, I may let them know that I'm on the hunt for a black sweater. So I don't really know what type I'm wanting, but when I get it, I'll know it. And then the cardigan is a keeper. I will keep that, and it was $32, which is an amazing price because it's an amazing item. The quality is awesome, and I couldn't ask for nothing better. And I can't wait to pair it with a pair of light blue jeggings or jeans and a white t-shirt or cami underneath it and some booties. I think it would be so super cute like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you did like it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. And check me out on Instagram. It's MCASEY3422. And on Poshmark, I have items on there for sale. And I put random, somebody just sent me a notification. I randomly put new items on there once in a while, and it's at MCASE3422 as well. So I hope y'all have a wonderful Halloween. Today is Halloween. I know this video won't go up for a couple of days because our internet has been whacked. One day it works and the next day it don't. When it does work, it's just off and on all day long. So that's why my videos have been so random. But it's not by no fault of mine because I've got the videos. I just can't get them out there. So, but I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I love you bunches. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.